Hello friend. So our today's lecture we are discussing our remaining point from the presentation of data. So we our before lecture we are discussing the tabular presentation of the data. So our today's lecture we are discussing our next remaining point, that is a visual presentation. Visual presentation. It is a remaining point our before discussion of the presentation of data. There are the visual presentation, there are the two types of the visual presentation, that is a diagrammatical presentation and the graphical presentation. So visual presentation, there are the two types, that is a diagrammatical presentation and the graphical presentation. So data, it is presented in the form of the diagram, so it is simply known as a diagrammatical presentation of data. It is a data presented in the form of the graph, so it is simply known as a graphical presentation of the data. So first we are discussing the diagrammatical presentation of the data. Diagrammatical presentation of data. Data presented in the form of the diagram, simply known as a diagrammatical presented data. So these are the mainly two types of this the diagrammatical presentation of the data, that is a pie diagram and pictogram. There are the mainly two types of the presented the data. It is diagrammatically, that is a pie diagram, and next is a pictogram. Pie diagram we are already learning from the 5th to 10th standard, that is a pie chart, pie diagram. Okay, in the pie diagram, that is a circle. It is a circle. It is a three-dimensional presentation of the data. It is a circle. In this the value and the data, it is presented in the partition manner. Okay. So firstly we are discussing the pie diagram. Pie diagram. So our collected data presented in the form of the pie diagram, it is known as a pie diagram presented data. Okay, we are know the circle. It is a three-dimensional presentation of the data, three-dimensional diagrammatical presentation of the data. We know the circle. In this the circle, it is angle of this the circle, that is a 360. All area of this the angle, it is a 360. So in this the circle, suppose for your understanding we are giving a one example. The blood group of 50 students. Blood group of 15 students. There the values are put in the first row column, that is a group, and the second is a students. Okay, blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O, that is a next column, row, that is a total 5 students, 20 students, 10 students, 15 students, total of 15. The blood groups of the 50 students, that is a data, and there is the examiner giving you a question. This is the provided data, you are converted into the pie diagram. Okay, how to draw the pie diagram? So carefully understand how to drawing the pie diagram. We are already studying what is a pie diagram, but in this the lecture you are concentratedly notice that how to draw the pie diagram. हे तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकलला पण क्वेश्चन येतो याच्यामध्ये, जेव्हा आपली प्रॅक्टिकल एक्झाम पण होणार आहे बायोस्टेटची, त्याच्यामध्ये पाय डायग्रामवर क्वेश्चन असतो. तर पाय डायग्राम कशा प्रकारे आपण सॉल्व करतो ते एकदा पाहून घ्या. These are the example, that is a blood group of the 50 students and you are converted into the pie diagram. Okay, how to draw the pie diagram? Okay, answer. Okay, firstly you are converted the group of the students given in the degree. ओके, जेव्हा आपला हा पाय डायग्रामचा जो सर्कल असतो त्याची डिग्री किती असते 360 डिग्री सेल्सिअस असतो. तर त्याच्यामुळे हे जे व्हॅल्यू आलेले आहेत आपल्याला त्याला काय कन्वर्ट करावे लागतील, आपल्याला डिग्रीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करावे लागतील. इथं ग्रुप, ब्लड ग्रुप, नेक्स्ट इज द स्टुडंट्स, next is the students, first row is the group and that is converted into the degree. Which purposes we are converted into degree? Because of the circle it is a 360 degree, that is the reason is that we are converting these values into the degree. For this the driving or the presenting the our data in this the pie diagram. So okay, the blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O. Okay, total, that is a row is a total, that is student is a 5, blood group A is a student is a 5, blood group B student is a 20, blood group AB students are the 10, blood group O are the 15, that is the students are the 50, the total students are the 50. Okay, the next is that is the value is converted into the degree. Okay, these are the total are the 50, 5, these are the students are the 5 and the totals are the 50 and that is the circle is a 360. Okay, circle is a 360, that is a 5 cut, 0 cut, that is a 36 degree. Okay, that is a 20 into 50 into the 360, that is a 144 degree Celsius, that is a 10 divided by 50 into the 360, that is a 72 degree Celsius, and this the last is a 15 divided by 50 into the 360, these are the 108 degree Celsius, it is the total are the 360 degree Celsius, these are the total are 360 degree Celsius. Okay, so these are the solving this the question. So there we are converting the values into the degree. So we are drawing the pie diagram 360 degree Celsius. In the 360 degree Celsius, that is the middle point is this, and this the value we are putting the value. How do we are putting the value? So we are putting the value. We are notice that which value is the largest. So 144 degree Celsius, it is the largest value. And the another thing is understand carefully is that is the that is a row adding of the value in the clockwise direction. जसं तुम्हाला वॉच माहीत आहे, त्याचं जे ॲरो असतात ते कसे रोटेट करतात, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, मीन्स द व्हॅल्यू आर पुटिंग इन अ क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. दीज आर द वन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग्स. अँड द नेक्स्ट इज we are adding the high, we are notice that the highest degree, then we are putting on this the highest degree. Okay, that is a 140, it is the highest degree. Then to the next highest degree, that is a 108, that is another highest degree. That is the next is a 70, that is a 72 degree Celsius. That is a first is a 144 degree, then to the 108 degree Celsius, then to the another highest degree, that is a 72 degree, that is a remaining is a lowest is a 36. These values are the putting in this manner, and this is the partition we are coloring are the different. Okay, these partition are the colors are the different, we are using the different colors are also. Okay, so then to this the after this, so we are जसं आपण ग्राफ लिहितो, जसं की वाय ॲक्सिसवर हे एक वाय ॲक्सिसवर हे लिहिलं आणि एक्स ॲक्सिसवर हे लिहितो, त्याचप्रमाणे आपल्याला इथं काय करावं लागेल, एक नोटीस टेबल बॉक्स करावा लागेल. दॅट इज जो हा डिझाईनचा रो आहे तो कशाचा आहे, 140 डिग्री सेल्सिअस, आणि these are the blood group are the B. Specify करायला लागेल, means that the chart are presented, the look are the simple in manner. So it is a how to small introduction of the how to draw the pie diagram. So important thing is that the 360 degree Celsius is important for the drawing the pie diagram. It is a 3-dimensional, that is a 2-dimensional diagram, and it is a partition are they given in a different color. Okay, it is also known as a angular diagram. So it is also known as a angular diagram or known as a circle diagram. The pie diagram, it is also known as a circle diagram, angular diagram, 2-dimensional diagram. Okay, so it is a presenting the data in form of the pie diagram. Okay, the next is a pictogram. Another visual presentation that is a diagrammatical representation. In this we are studying the first is a pie diagram. The next remaining point is that the pictogram. Pictogram simply is that the data it is presented in the form of the pictures. So it is known as a pictogram. It is known as a pictogram. For your understanding, we are giving a one example. Per month, fishes number. Okay, in the per month, the first month that the fishes numbers are the 10, the month second and the fishes numbers are the 20, month 3 the fishes number are the 5. That are the cultivation of the fishes in the per month. These are the question. Okay, these are our data, and this the examiner giving you that you are the converted this data into the pictogram. So how we are drawing the pictogram? Firstly, we are drawing the one type of a graph, x-axis, y-axis. In the x-axis, that is a month, and in the y-axis, that is a number of fish. Okay. So then we are putting this value. These are the overview of this. The month are the 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then to the values are the, notice that the 10, 20 and 5 means that the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There is the difference between these the two is the 5 difference. So next we are looking that the fish number, the month first, and the fish number are the 10. So we are drawing the fish. Okay. In this the 10 we are drawing the fish. Then to the next month, that is a 2, that is the fish it is are the 20, means in the 20 we are driving the fish. That is the month 3, that is a 5 fish, means the driving the fish 5. Okay, in this the form we are driving the pictogram. Simply giving the value is converted into the diagram. In this the graph, given value are converted into diagram in the graph. So it is simply known as a pictogram. So our today's lecture we are completed the visual presentation. In this the diagrammatical representation. The one point is remaining is that the graphical presentation. Okay, so we are discussing in the next lecture. So thank you for watching this video.